to the Autom AFP engine, you could perform optical ray tracing post-processing analysis. You could do it based on the optical UOT or optical COT. Both is possible. You could go to the Optical Ray Tracing tab and select the optical file. You could select your analysis. I go to this directory and I select optical UOT. If you perform optical COT, you could also select that file. When you select this name, you could also change the name of the kinematic file. If you change your name of your kinematic file, you could change it here. And if your pre-thermal UOT file has also different name, you could write it down here. So based on this name of the kinematic file and the name of the pre-thermal file and the selected file here based on the either optical UOT or optical COT, you could then click on optical analysis. It is basically the same post-processing window as the Autom AFP engine. So here, similar to post-processing in Autom AFP engine, you have the grad file here and you have all of the buttons here. You have the slider which shows the positions of the roller on the path, and you also have the steps here to select. This one as a transparency of the rays. You could, with this icon, zoom in and zoom out. Change the transparency of the rays here. You see this here. And you could set the laser ID with either uniform or Gaussian or linear. You could change the laser power and immediately see the outcome here on the absorber power. And finally, you could hide and show edge object like rays, reflection, mandrel, and the roller and the rest of the graphical object. And finally, you could also generate animations and see the intensity distributions on the object. For example, here, if you select on the intensity here in this icon, you could get the informations like that. So if you change this, you will see that you have a different intensity on each steps because we have a very curved surface. So now you're trying to save the animations. Based on that, we click on animations and you see that the animation starts. The moving of the roller, the progress bar here, and that we see it at the same time, the update of the intensity. To save the animations, you should not change the size of the window during the post-processing of the animations, because all of the data should have the same size to create that frame. And this is the directory of the files, and the animation was generated here. And if you double click on it, you will see the animations.